Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video will show you how to create headings on Google Docs. It's really easy to do how to create headings on your Google Docs. Here I open my Google Docs and then I will zoom it for you into 200%. And then here I have some example of heading and paragraphs. And then how to do that, you just block your heading here like this and then click this on the normal text. Yes, you can show the styles and then you can click this heading 1. So this is for the major heading, this is heading 2 for the major heading, another one. If you want to create a subheading, you can click this heading 2 or heading 3 and so on. After that, you can see on the left corner here, you can see the show document outline. You can see this is the outline for heading 1 and heading 2. Also, if you want to create some table of content, you can insert and then click this table of content and then click this. As you can see, this is my table of content automatically. If I adding some paragraph and heading, you can update this TOC right away. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.